Greetings one and all. Happy Friday, everyone. Hope all are well. First of all, let's say a little prayer and send some well wishes to our sister Donna from Dream Creations and Adventures. She's currently having cataract surgery, so I hope that goes well for her. Her last video, she said she couldn't even see out of one of her eyes, like at all. Like, vision. You need to be able to see. Couldn't even imagine. I mean, having your eye operated on, to me, is just a massive creep out factor. So, also, along with that, it is our brother Eddie's birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday, brother. No, Saturday I think his birthday is. Bill Melton's is tomorrow. No, Bill Melton's is today, so happy birthday, Bill Melton. And then Eddie's is Saturday. Happy birthday, brother. Brothers. Let's jump right to this week's channel shout out. Alright, so right off the bat, I want to give a thank you to the Mickelson family Homestead for the birthday present. It's an egg case. Really nice one, too. I actually just bought eggs a couple days ago, so I'm going to be moving them over to this shortly. But I wanted to give them a thank you. Here's their sticker. Really cool. I'll be adding that to the board along with their YouTube card. So thank you, appreciate that. Go ahead and draw this week's. They're kind of clumped. I can't have clumping. I mean, eventually everyone's going to get drawn, but oh, and we got one fly out. So who's this week's shout out is Mad Dog Survival. Our brother across the pond, right on. So I'll be linking his channel in the description. Good dude, so I highly recommend checking him out. Alright, so don't forget to check out Mad Dog Survival. Good guy. And let's jump right to burn. I do have to admit, I asked the question on my community post, what should I do today for Fired Up Friday? And has a lot of great suggestions. I was going to do steel wool and a D-cell battery, and I forgot both of them because I'm a wanker. Unbelievable. So I'll push it back to next week. So we'll see what we can do for next week. But for now, let's do. We're going to do flint and steel. Quick camera angle change so you guys can see. I think tinder, good bird nesting, good tinder is just as important as your method in fire starting, because I could take a pile of sticks and hit it with a ferro rod all day and it would never light. So that's why it's important to prep, and it's something that I have failed at in the past because I was either rushing or hurrying. I got to either know to not do that, because ultimately it just means that I'm going to fail at getting the fire going. Bird nest 101, just get the pile worked around, because I'm going to put the right in the center there, get this real fine stuff that fell off the, get that in there, and get a little bird nest. Sweet. I feel like it's too high, so here's my flint and steel. Got a little piece of char cloth. The Habilis Bush Tools striker. And there we go. Get that turned down. Sweet. Unsuccessful flint and steel. I was gonna say, is it gonna go out? But no, it hung in there. I don't know if some of you might remember who started with my channel. This sheet pan. I started making fire videos at the park. Almost 7.5 years ago. I still had it. And I used to do everything on a picnic table, and I used to use this cutting board to protect the the picnic table from my fire making and fire practice. So, been around a long time. And I get a face full of ash and smoke. Oh. Well, as always, I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Links to Mad Dog Survival, Bill Melton, Backyard Custom Knives, Eddie, Donna Dream Creations will all be down in the description. You can go check them all out. Would be appreciated. Have a fantastic weekend. And may the forces of evil get confused on the way to your house.